Welcome to the Invert of me CUBOT Tablet 10, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open notification panel, and now we can see here all the visible icons. If you want to add here some features or just to remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon, and after that you'll see here this down section with these invisible icons. If you want to add some options to your notification panel shortcuts, you should hold it and drag it here to this up section by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. To remove some icons from here by the same way, just hold it and drag it here to this down section. And to change their positions, you should also hold and drag it by this way. And to save then all the changes, you should just tap here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.